How you can get Instagram followers. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to learn how you can get or increase Instagram followers. At first, if your account is private, that might be one of the reason your accounts or the posts you post are not getting to more public. Go ahead and make your account public. After you made your account public, all you have to do is post, and there are multiple different ways that you can try to increase your Instagram followers. At first, you can just go ahead and post multiple posts or reels that people might like using the right hashtags, or you can just partner with more creators that are more famous, or you can just go ahead and follow different people that you might know. You can just create a brand of your business. That is one of the way of increasing followers, and you can try multiple different things like more public engagement posts. That might be extremely helpful for increasing the followers on Instagram. If you try every single thing, your follower will gradually increase, and that is how you can increase the followers on your Instagram using the right hashtag, and public engagement posts are one of the best techniques, and that is how you can increase followers on Instagram. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.